Wow! Ay, tay, ganda ka dyan. Hi guys, this is again Quinn and welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Hanoi, Vietnam. Ganon. First time kong pupunta ng Hanoi, Vietnam for 5 days and that's going to be November 25 to November 3. As usual, kailangan maaga tayong dumating sa airport, preferably 3 hours before ng flight. So in this vlog guys, I will share to you my expenses sa airfare and sa hotel. And also some departure basics. So ngayon, i-share ko muna sa inyo yung nagastos natin sa airfare. So this is the summary guys ng Gora natin to Hanoi, Vietnam. So itong travel natin guys was booked during the Mother's Day Piso Seat Sale this year ng Cebu Pacific. Please take note guys na it's a one-way piso fare seat sale. So what I did guys was choose the Go Easy option ng Cebu Pacific. So the Go Easy option will include the 20 kg check-in baggage. And para hindi na rin tayo mahassle sa pila pagdating natin sa airport, nagbayad na rin tayo ng travel tax. So that's all in all 7,929 pesos and 80 cents. So kunyari guys, hindi ako nag-go easy, kunyari nag-go basic lang tayo. So yung go basic, as in literal basic lang siya. Siya yung option ni Cebu Pacific na walang meals and walang check-in baggage. Hand carry lang ang meron. So kunyari, yun yung binook natin, as in walang ka-arte-arte, as in go basic lang talaga. Ang talagang fare nung time na to, if it was just go basic without the payment of travel tax, that will be 4,071 pesos and 80 cents. Diba? Sobrang mura na yun. So let's go! Ayun nga, so guys, walang naganap na tanungan sa immigration and at the same time, ang bilis lang. Kasi hindi siya nagtanong kahit isang peraso. Although may nakatayo doon, bago yun ngayon. Oh no! Secretary inspection na guy, doon siya, nakatayo lang siya doon. Parang preference na lang kung sino tatanungin. Siya yung nagtanong sa akin ng kung ako lang ba mag-isa, ilang araw, kailan uuwi, mga ganun. Pero nakalagay naman doon na siya yung pang secondary inspection. So ayun. So welcome to Vietnam! So guys, tama naman yung dating namin. Time check, it's 9:08 AM here in Vietnam. So marami pala akong nakasabay na local Vietnamese dun sa flight natin. So parang siguro mga bakasyonista rin sila or probably students, I don't know. Pero ayun, mga bata pa kasi. And obviously, napakalinis, napakaluwag, and sa maaliwalas yung airport nila. So guys, nandito na tayo sa may Hanoi, Vietnam. Ngayon dito ako sa Bay 11 or arrival terminal 11. Ako ay nag-grab. So hinihintay ko na lang sister. Ayan, so correction nga pala guys. It's called Arrival Pillar number 11. So hindi naman ako nagtagal doon. Ang bilis lang din. And super bait ni sir. So guys, bago pala tayo nag-grab, of course, kailangan natin ng data. So, kinuha ko muna yung SIM card ko sa kiosk ng Klook here. Located siya doon sa upper floor or sa second floor ata yun. Tapos, turn right ka lang paglabas mo ng security check after mo ng immigration. So, it's roughly around 400 to 500 pesos sa Klook. Of course, ang technique is the earlier that you book, the cheaper that you will get. So guys, hindi pala ako nag-withdraw sa airport kasi parang mababa. So what I did guys was to withdraw money from the TP Bank ATM. And I would highly recommend this guys kasi ang ginamit ko is the GCash ATM card. I'm not sure pero parang based dun sa text message na na-receive ko as notification, parang kung ano lang yung binidraw kong amount, yun lang yun. So parang wala siyang convenience fee. So it's really highly recommended na gamitin nyo is GCash ATM card. So guys, it is very important that you stay within the old quarter area kasi malapit kayo sa lahat. Malapit kayo sa mga bars, sa mga stores, sa lahat ng kainang mura. Basta, this is like the tourist hotspot. So, particularly kung nasan yung hotel ko, it's all walking distance from the tourist spots na sikat dito sa Hanoi. So, regardless if you walk or you do grab car or grab bike, lahat sila malapit lang here. And yun nga, nasa Old Quarter area siya. So, we stayed here in Fiesta Grand Hotel and Spa. And kagandahan sa room na na-assign sa akin, nasa first floor lang ako and malapit lang ako sa reception area. So, hindi na ako mahihirapan. So, very minimalist yung atake ng room, guys. And ano siya, by default, good for 2 persons. And meron na rin siyang smart TV. So, meron na rin siyang safe, meron na rin siyang fridge, meron siyang electric kettle, and meron na rin siyang hair dryer. So, by default, again, good for 2 guests, kaya meron siyang 2 bathrobes. And this, guys, 2 pairs of slippers. Sobrang ganda, by the way, na trinay kong iuwi pero may charge, so wag na lang. Pero sobrang ganda na, guys, para siyang Havaianas quality. So, ayan. Merong refreshments available na, of course, charged. Tapos, meron din tayong complimentary water, coffee, tea, and of course the phones na hindi naman natin magagamit. And noise wise, guys, hindi din naman dinig yung nasa labas. It's very cozy, very private. So maganda siya, wala ka namang masasabing hindi okay so far. Although ayun nga, maganda siya pero hindi kasi siya solo traveler friendly. So ipa-price reveal natin yan later. Yan. So, sa sink naman and the faucets and the water supply, mabilis siyang uminit. Kung gusto mo ding malamig, mabilis din siyang lumamig from the hot setting. Tapos, lahat naman maayos na nakatupi and malinis. And talagang pag inamoy mo, wala siyang lingering smell. So, it's very clean. And wala ka talagang masasabi. Ayan na! So, price reveal na tayo, guys. So, the price is 11,000 to 12,000 pesos. So, pinili ko to, guys, because malapit siya sa lahat. Within the Old Quarter siya. And sobrang gaganda ng mga reviews. But yes, I understand, hindi talaga siya budget-friendly. Hindi rin siya solo traveler-friendly. And hindi tayo nagpapakasosyal, guys. Ako kasi, pag first time ko dun sa particular country na yun, hindi ko kayang mag-risk na mag-hostel kasi kumbaga hindi ko pa alam yung galawan, hindi ko pa alam yung mga behavior ng mga tao, ganyan. So, pag okay na, siguro pag after na first time ko, yung mga succeeding visits ko dun sa same country na yun, pwede na ako mag-hostel. I'm not against going for a hostel or going for a cheaper choice kasi nasa atin yan kung saan tayo komportable. And of course, kung saan akma yung budget natin. So, ayun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you have questions or anything, just comment down below. And please subscribe and follow. And you have a great day.